The American cockroach Paraplaneta. Of all common cockroach species, the American cockroach has the largest body size, molt 6 to 14 times, mostly 13 times, before metamorphosis, and has the longest life cycle, up to about 700 days. It has an average length around 4 cm (1.6 in) and is about 7 mm (0.28 in) tall. They are reddish-brown and have a yellowish margin on the pronotum, the body region behind the head. Immature cockroaches resemble adults except they are wingless. The cockroach is divided into 3 sections. The body is flattened and broadly oval, with a shield-like pronotum covering its head. A pronotum is a plate-like structure that covers all or part of the dorsal surface of the thorax of certain insects. They also have chewing mouth parts, long, segmented antennae, and leathery forewings with delicate hind wings. The third section of the cockroach is the abdomen. The insect can travel quickly, often darting out of sight when a threat is perceived, and can fit into small cracks and under doors despite its fairly large size. It is considered one of the fastest-running insects. In an experiment, a P. americana registered a record speed of 5.4 km per hour, 3.4 miles per hour, about 50 body lengths per second, which would be comparable to a human running at 330 km per hour, 210 miles per hour. It has a pair of large compound eyes, each having over 2,000 individual lenses, ommatidia, hexagonal apertures which provide a kind of vision known as the mosaic vision with more sensitivity but less resolution, being common during night, hence called nocturnal vision, and is a very active night insect that shuns light. American cockroach nymphs are capable of limb regeneration. In certain regions of the U.S. it is colloquially known as the waterbug, though is not a true waterbug since it is not aquatic. It is also known as the ship cockroach, Kakarla, and Bombay canary. It is often misidentified as a palmetto bug. American cockroaches are native to Africa and the Middle East. Despite their name, they are believed to have been introduced to America and the New World only from the 17th century AD onwards as a result of human commercial. American cockroaches have 3 developmental stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Females produce an egg case, ootheca, which protrudes from the tip of the abdomen. On average, females produce 9 to 10 oothecae, although they can sometimes produce as many as 90. After about 2 days, the egg cases are placed on a surface in a safe location. Egg cases are about 0.9 cm (0.35 in) long, brown, and purse-shaped. Immature cockroaches emerge from egg cases in 6 to 8 weeks and require 6 to 12 months to mature. After hatching, the nymphs feed and undergo a series of 13 moltings or ecdysis. Adult cockroaches can live up to an additional year, during which females produce an average of 150 young. The American cockroach reproductive cycle can last up to 600 days. American cockroaches are omnivorous and opportunistic feeders that eat materials such as cheese, beer, tea, leather, bakery products, starch in book bindings, manuscripts, glue, hair, flakes of dried skin, dead animals, plant materials, soiled clothing, and glossy paper with starch sizing. They are particularly fond of fermenting foods. They have also been observed to feed upon dead or wounded cockroaches of their own or other species. American cockroaches generally live in moist areas but can survive in dry areas if they have access to water. They prefer high temperatures around 29 degrees Celsius (84 degrees Fahrenheit) and do not tolerate low temperatures. These cockroaches are common in basements, crawl spaces, cracks and crevices of porches, foundations, and walkways adjacent to buildings. In residential areas outside the tropics, these cockroaches live in basements and sewers and may move outdoors into yards during warm weather.